A drawing tablet is an essential tool for digital artists, designers, and creative professionals who want precision and flexibility in their work. With features like pressure sensitivity, customizable controls, and seamless connectivity, the right tablet can make digital art feel natural and effortless. To help you choose, here are the 5 best drawing tablets that combine performance and creativity. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Gaomon PD1161 Drawing Tablet. Creating digital art becomes a seamless and immersive experience with a device that combines precision, responsiveness, and ergonomic design. This drawing tablet features an IPS HD display with a 1920 by 1080 resolution, offering clear and vibrant visuals across a 10.09 by 5.68-inch working area. Artists can enjoy wide viewing angles and true-to-life color reproduction, ensuring that every stroke and shading decision is accurately represented on screen. The 5080 LPI resolution and 266 pps report rate provide a highly responsive drawing surface, translating pen movements into fluid digital lines with minimal lag, allowing for natural, intuitive creation whether sketching, illustrating, or retouching. The included pen is battery-free, eliminating the need for charging or replacing batteries while remaining environmentally friendly. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, it allows for nuanced control over thickness, opacity, and texture, delivering precise results that feel like traditional media, but with the advantages of digital flexibility. The pen's silicone grip ensures comfort even during long sessions, reducing fatigue and enabling prolonged creativity without discomfort. Accuracy is impressive, rated at plus or minus 0.5 millimeters in the center and plus or minus 3 millimeters at the corners, giving confidence that every stroke lands exactly where intended. Efficiency and workflow are further enhanced by 8 customizable shortcut keys, allowing quick access to commonly used functions such as zoom, scroll, undo, and menu navigation. Additionally, 5 menu keys located on the left side of the tablet let users adjust brightness, contrast, color settings, and power functions with ease, providing instant control over the display environment without interrupting creative flow. Connectivity options include mini HDMI and Type-C ports, supporting a reliable connection to a variety of devices and ensuring smooth signal output for uninterrupted work. Overall, the tablet balances performance and ergonomics beautifully. Its compact yet functional design makes it suitable for both home studios and mobile setups, while the combination of a highly sensitive pen, customizable keys, and responsive display creates a professional-level digital art experience. Whether for beginners or seasoned digital artists, this tablet provides precise control, comfort, and efficiency to elevate every creative project, turning imagination into polished artwork effortlessly. Pros: 8,192 pressure, IPS display, shortcut keys, battery-free pen. Cons: moderate screen size, corner accuracy. Number 4. Ugee Trio Pad UT3 Drawing Tablet. Creativity reaches a new scale with the tablet that combines a large, immersive display with powerful performance and intuitive functionality. The 14.25-inch 3:2 screen immediately draws attention, providing a generous canvas for drawing, note-taking, or multimedia projects. With the 2400 by 1600 2.4K resolution and nano-matte anti-glare finish, visuals are sharp, colors pop, and reflections are minimized, allowing for a comfortable and clear viewing experience. 2V Rhineland certified low blue light filtering and U-paper technology further reduce eye strain, making long sessions of creative work or reading easier on the eyes while maintaining vibrant and accurate visuals. Performance is driven by an 8-core 6nm processor paired with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, all powered by Android 14, providing a smooth and responsive environment for apps, graphics software, and multitasking. The large screen is complemented by an active capacitive stylus that offers precise control and a natural drawing experience, ideal for illustrators, designers, and hobbyists alike. Pressure sensitivity ensures lines respond accurately to touch and angle, while Ugee technology allows quick switching between regular, ink paper, and color paper modes, adapting instantly to creative needs or visual preferences. Despite its expansive size, the tablet remains lightweight at 760 grams and ultra-thin at just 6.95 millimeters, balancing portability with the benefits of a large display. Extended sessions are supported by a robust 10,000 mAh battery paired with 33 WPD fast charging, so creative flow can continue uninterrupted without frequent breaks for recharging. Connectivity, software compatibility, and system optimization under Android 14 create an environment that feels both modern and versatile, giving users access to a wide range of apps, tools, and media resources. The combination of a big screen, high-resolution, ergonomic design, and strong processing power makes this tablet a standout choice for anyone looking to expand their creative workspace. Whether for digital art, note-taking, multimedia editing, or casual browsing, it provides a professional-level experience that enhances productivity and enjoyment. Its thoughtful, eye-care technology, lightweight construction, and customizable display modes make it an ideal companion for both long creative sessions and everyday digital tasks. Pros: 14.25-inch, 2.4K display, Android 14, 33W fast charging. Cons: large size, premium weight. Number 3. Huion Kamvas Pro 16 Drawing Tablet. Digital artistry reaches a professional level with a tablet designed for precision, responsiveness, and comfort. The 15.6-inch IPS display offers Full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution, providing clear, vibrant visuals that make every line, color, and detail pop. The full lamination AG glass ensures a smooth drawing surface, reducing parallax for accurate pen placement and enhancing the natural feel of creating directly on the screen. Wide viewing angles and consistent color reproduction make this tablet ideal for illustration, graphic design, or photo editing, ensuring your work looks exactly as intended from every perspective. At the heart of its performance lies an advanced battery-free electromagnetic resonance stylus that supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. This allows for nuanced control over stroke thickness, opacity, and texture, providing the feel of traditional media while maintaining the versatility of digital tools. This stylus is designed to work without charging or batteries, ensuring uninterrupted workflow and environmentally friendly operation. Ergonomic design features, including a comfortable grip, make long drawing sessions more sustainable and reduce hand fatigue, allowing artists to focus on creativity without distraction. Efficiency and customization are enhanced by 6 programmable express keys, letting users assign frequently used functions such as undo, zoom, or brush adjustments directly to the tablet. This level of control accelerates workflows, making repetitive actions faster and more intuitive. Connectivity options are straightforward, supporting a seamless connection to computers for immediate integration into professional software environments. Overall, this tablet strikes a balance between performance and usability, combining a large, high-quality display with a highly responsive stylus and customizable controls. Its combination of pressure sensitivity, smooth laminated screen, and ergonomic design makes it a versatile tool for artists of all levels, providing both precision and comfort. Whether creating detailed illustrations, editing photos, or exploring digital painting, this tablet delivers an immersive, professional drawing experience that enhances creativity while maintaining reliability and ease of use. Pros: 15.6-inch, 8,192 pressure, battery-free stylus IPS display. Cons: Full HD, moderate shortcut keys. Number 2. XPPen Magic Drawing Pad Drawing Tablet. Creativity and performance converge effortlessly with a tablet designed for artists who demand precision, responsiveness, and versatility. The 12-inch display immediately impresses with its 2K resolution of 2160 by 1440, offering crisp visuals and true-to-life colors that bring sketches, illustrations, and designs to life. Its 3:2 aspect ratio and AG etched surface combine to provide the tactile feel of premium paper, ensuring every stroke feels natural while reducing glare and fingerprints for a cleaner, distraction-free workspace. With 16.77 million colors, 77% NTSC, 109% sRGB, and 82% Adobe RGB coverage, color accuracy is exceptional, making it ideal for both professional and creative projects. At the heart of the tablet is the X3 Pro chip-powered stylus, offering 384 levels of pressure sensitivity and EMR technology. Battery-free and ready to draw, It responds to the slightest movement, delivering smooth, precise, and nuanced lines. The nib design allows for accurate control over strokes, while the ergonomic build ensures comfortable use during extended creative sessions. The tablet's reading height ranges from 10 to 20 millimeters, maintaining high accuracy across the screen, rated at plus or minus 0.5 millimeters in the center and plus or minus 1.5 millimeters at the corners, so every detail lands exactly where intended. Performance is further enhanced by an octa-core MT8771 processor paired with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage, expandable up to 512 GB via microSD. This configuration ensures smooth multitasking, responsive app performance, and ample space for large projects. Android 12 provides access to a wide range of creative apps, enabling editing, drawing, and productivity, all on one device. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi dual band, Bluetooth 5.1, and Type-C support, while built-in dual microphones and quad speakers allow for audio recording and playback, making it suitable for multimedia creation. Additional features such as efficient shortcut keys, a bright 360-nit display, and a 60 Hz refresh rate enhance usability, while the lightweight 599-gram body and slim 6.9 mm profile make it portable without compromising screen size. Whether sketching, painting, designing, or streaming creative content, this tablet provides an immersive, professional experience that balances performance, precision, and comfort, making it a powerful tool for digital creators of all levels. Pros: 16K pressure, 2K display, battery-free stylus, Android 12. Cons: moderate refresh. Number 1 and the winner is XPPen Artist 22R Pro Drawing Tablet. Digital artistry takes on an entirely new dimension with a tablet that combines a large, immersive display with intuitive controls and precision engineering. The 21.5-inch Full HD display immediately stands out, offering a resolution of 1920 by 1080 that ensures every detail, line, and color in your artwork is presented with clarity and vibrancy. Its wide color gamut delivers 88% NTSC, over 90% Adobe RGB, and more than 120% sRGB coverage, allowing artists to work with accurate, lifelike colors that bring illustrations, designs, and models to life. The display's responsive surface ensures smooth pen movement and precise control, even at the corners, eliminating parallax and providing a natural drawing experience. The included stylus is designed for professional use, offering a high level of precision and tilt functionality for nuanced strokes and dynamic shading. It works seamlessly with the tablet to create a pen-on-screen experience that feels intuitive, comfortable, and highly responsive. Productivity and workflow are further enhanced by 20 customizable shortcut keys and 2 convenient control wheels, giving artists quick access to frequently used functions, zoom, brush size adjustments, or other commands. Both left and right-handed users can work efficiently, as controls are ergonomically placed for accessibility and comfort. Connectivity has been thoughtfully upgraded with USB-C to USB-C support, allowing direct connection to modern computers without the need for adapters, simplifying setup while maintaining high-speed data transfer and reliable performance. The integrated adjustable stand provides flexible positioning, enabling artists to change working angles to suit different projects, reduce fatigue, and optimize comfort during extended creative sessions. A cleverly designed front pen slot ensures the stylus is always within reach and stored safely when not in use. Overall, the tablet balances size, color accuracy, and functionality to provide a professional creative environment. Its large display, vibrant color reproduction, precise stylus, and customizable controls make it ideal for digital illustrators, designers, and creators seeking a high-quality, versatile drawing platform. Every aspect of the device has been crafted to enhance comfort, efficiency, and artistic freedom, transforming digital ideas into polished, professional results with ease. Pros: 21.5-inch, 120% sRGB, shortcut keys, adjustable stand. Cons: FHD display. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.